by the camera there. And blood clot camera watch me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we will take a look at Vybz Kartel's home, his surveillance camera, Shenseea's birthday dinner / performance. Also, Jaden went on a look like a pop the balloon challenge and snapped at this young lady to her about her mother. Bag of other things. But before we get into it, if this is your first time on my channel, please remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Stay tuned. When I remember when everybody else said, oh, Kartel up and about and you know if you video this, not if you video that. Man, to me, basically, him show you. So if you feel like you can pull up, him watch it on camera. Yeah. So him good, and them even said him having security around him. You just not go see them on camera. And this look like a new house in the chat where they say in them him see them a look house. So it still look like a hotel to me. But tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. On to the next video. Now, Jaden and Slime looked like they were at a pop the balloon challenge. I think one of the girls were asking a question that they never showed the clip before, but Jaden dug her up onto her bottom mother and attempted to assault the young lady. But take a look at this behavior and tell me what you think.
Get away, please.
Yeah, I got suck them other girl. Suck out the girl, I want to man. Yeah, this man, suck out the girl, I'm going to come here. The blood clot, you look at anti-skin, blood clot. How the blood clot, stinking, stinking. Yeah, baby. Hey, let me rascal. Let me start, I'm going to say blood clot shit in that too. I'm not lying, brother. You know you're fucking my life, man. You're gonna come up a rascal show, man. Oh, yes.
Come take me off, baby.
Come take one thing for. You could have
I'm not do chasing. First thing first, I'm not do chasing. You get what I say? If you're not a man, you don't know if you stand up right there, so you're not chasing with me. That's what I'm say. You get what I say? If you're not a man, don't come here and say, no. Stop. Anytime you move your head. Stop. Anytime you move your head out or push it on, I
Walk, no man. If you have blood clot in a toilet, walk, yeah. Blood clot, right?
Hey, Father God. You know what I'm like for my flingy, please.
Fling your ball. They got that bar fly. Fling your ball. No, I'm not
I don't know what happened as to the reason why this reaction came from Jaden. However, given his character, I don't think this is acceptable. But I also blame the females because honestly said them not like we. These men don't like us. Why wanna keep on and show up for them pop the balloon challenge just for them to embarrass and this and why not go just for them style and do it for fun, record that shit and get thousands of views. Stay away from these kind of situations. If you're loving yourself, please. Anyways, guys, tell me what your thoughts are in the comments on this. On to a lighter note, Saturday, Shenseea had her first birthday party. Ding Dong was there, Stock Ashley was there, Law Boss was there, and it was a success. Take a look at this. When it's a real Jamaican mother that don't get bright. Come by my name. What my name? Regina said, mommy. That was so sweet. Vybz Kartel was at Dolly Sundays on Sunday, and I'm sure you heard by now that he's bought 30 bottles of Hennessy and some Moet, 13 bottles of Moet, giving back to the Gaza fans for supporting him for 13 years. He also gave this lady money to buy groceries, and Kartel never video it, but the fan went online, posted a video, and this is what she said, showing what she bought. Check this out.
To God be the glory, great things he has done. Last night, I said Kartel, I make her give be a champagne, be a Hennessy and be things. Me decide for way pan Kartel out the door. When I say Kartel, me not get the Hennessy, me not get the champagne, me want buy some grocery and put in my house. And Kartel give me the money. Kartel, I buy the grocery them. I'm a baby grocery them, yeah. Look more, the rice and the flour and the sugar and the caramel come in, come I order them from a cousin store. One Gaza nation, you know. Big up yourself, Kartel. Oh, it come down.
Big up yourself, one Dan. Always I give back to the Gaza fans. We appreciate that. On to the next news. Spice was on stage singing her songboard. She no business with nobody business. She said this about Noah's lips. Check this out.
Me no business with nobody business. Me stay out of the way and me live man. Me no business with nobody business. No power. You know me feel about your lips them. Me dying for you try that thing because me love your lips.
Tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. Next topic is Jaden. Him again. But we're going to show you why he's saying want to eat Pretti Done. Pretti Done went live and she went in a shot and come up with her alter ego Ling Ling. And I got her bag of things. And then we're going to show you what Jaden saying want to do to Pretti Done. Check this out.
Dan, what could I possess if we wake up like this in the morning?
Like fuck when we get last night.
Dan, be honest to me. Me and you are a friend. Everybody know the cat's out the bag. Me and you are friend.
Yeah.
The whole TikTok no. We can't hide the friendship no more.
Yeah.
Be honest to your friend.
Yeah.
My man a touch you?
Yeah. One big long cocky.
Dan, be honest, you have a man that go through that door there, in and out that door there when the camera lock off, don't it?
Yep. Yep.
Dan, show the people that hold the man cocky up on the bed. A joke.
Yo, Pretti Done. Jesus Christ, you look cock up and thick. You look like a blood clot 21-piece KFC. Me I beg you eat there, please, Pretti Done. Please, one eat.
Anyways, guys, That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If it's your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. And I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.